Sorry about that. I guess we're gonna have to split this into two parts. Anyway, so you can see the red bells in the gym. Now here is the invisible pull rod. This meaning this is flush and mounted into the wall. So on the other side, you can see. This is what the original because the pull rod bells are also new. There's no pull rods here, but the pull rod bells are different. If we look over here, you can see that that one's more detailed. This is less. So yeah. How these work is you pull the rod, and it pulls the trip bell, and it also pulls the actuation switch, which in turn activates the system. So yeah, we'll pull this to activate the system again. Oh yeah, you can. Just won't activate it again. I forgot. And then this is the break glass. So if we pull this. Okay, did that. Now, over here, this is the 1920s telecall fire alarm system that was installed here. There's a 2903 light. It says, do not enter when the thing is flashing, and it is, but we're authorized. This is one of the Hunter originals that I was talking about, made by Six. It's a Six prank call law from Terra, but for all intents and purposes, it's a Hunter original. So this is the telecall panel. And then you can see the railcut fire safety security or whatever tag clinic. This is like the administration area. Tornado station. This is gonna be a bathroom. I don't know why it says. Yeah, follow shelter sign. There's an auto call horn out here. So this would be the. Oh yeah, and then I'll show you what that honk was. That this auto call horn is like. This is the first addition to the building. Why does this door keep opening? I swear to God. Okay. So over here, what you're hearing is the Simplex 4050s on the standard electric. Also, this is the bell for the burglar alarm. But what you're hearing are the Simplex 4050s. Some of them are actually on projectors that are in the Francis Robbins Recreational Center on a standard electric, because this edition was in the 60s. My ears, ow. I hope you guys aren't being destroyed right now. Standard electric pole. This hasn't really been filled in yet, but if you look. Yeah, that's pretty loud. There's another original. Wait a minute. Okay. That was very loud. I don't know why my mouse double clicked. Okay, anyway. Yeah, we're not gonna go in depth for all the system. We're not gonna pull it again. But, yeah, this is just a short video of the John Dale Middle School. I'm back. I'm gonna start uploading. I've been I just started school, getting into the routine, so I'll find time to upload stuff. There's gonna be a bunch of weather radio videos on the way, as well as more videos like this, plus ceiling fan videos. I have a nice rare ceiling fan that I'd love to show you. But anyway, this is John Doe Middle School with a 50s fire alarm system. I'll provide a link for the game below. And this is TBW563. I hope I don't go inactive for 5 months again, and I'm signing off.